Open Microsoft PowerPoint application, double click in here, and go to new slide and select blank. Then right click of your mouse and go to format background. Now select gradient fill. Preset gradient, there select this option. Then types, select path. Then give color of your design, of your thumbnail design. I select this, then go to color and switch your color. After select this, go to color option, then select your color. If you plus any stop icon, then you click plus. Okay, here is add other stop option, then you select color. Okay, now go to insert option and select textbook and drag it in here and write your text in here. Okay, now I bold it and big it. Now go to format option and click the word art style. Now there is many art option. You select as you wish. I select this option. Okay, now go to insert option and select the textbook and drag it in here and write your text in here. Bold it and big it. Okay, now go to format option and word art style. I select this. Then go to shape effect and 3D rotation. Now I select this. Okay, 3D rotation. Now go to insert option and select shape. I select this shape. Okay, now go to shape option and a new outline, select, then go to shape fill and select your color as okay, you can see in more color in here. Okay, now go to shape effect, select glue and select, here is many glue. you can choose any of them. I select this and then go to shape option, shade effect, and go to rotation, this option. Okay, now go to send background and send to back. Okay, now go to insert option and select textbook, then drag it in here and write your text in here. Okay, bold it. Then go to format option and select the text field, then select your color. I select this and go to text outline and I select the red. Okay, now go to text effect and select the 3D rotation and select this. Okay, now go to next insert option and select text book, then drag it in here and write your text in here. Okay, select this and bold it. Now go to format option and select the text field and the text outline and the text effect, blue. I select this and go to text effect and 3D rotation. Now thumbnail design is complete. For saving this document or saving this thumbnail, go to file option and click the export, then go to change file type. Here you can see two options of saving your thumbnail, PNG or JPEG. Select any of them, then click save as. Okay, I select PNG option and save as. Select your folder or file where you want to save your document. I select this and give your thumbnail name, then save. Just this one. Okay, my document is saved. Here you can see my thumbnail is ready. This thumbnail dimension is 1280 and 720 dimension. Here as you can see 1280 and 720. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Now you can design any thumbnail of your YouTube video or any other video like this. Thanks for watching. If you think my video is informative and helpful for you, please like, comment and subscribe.